Hello YouTube, we are working on a 2004 Audi A4 with the 1.8 turbo engine. If you are wondering how to get into your air filter, this right here is really simple. You disconnect this piece, pull that up. You get a flathead, you take this off right here. There's a little hose right here that goes right there. There's one bolt right here, and there's another bolt right there. And on top of it, you disconnect this. When you look inside of your air filter, it might be a little dirty. But those are the four things. Number one, number two, number three, number four. And unscrew, it's a bolt right here, and it's a bolt right there. And that'll get you inside of your air filter. And this is for a 2004 Audi A4 with the 1.8 turbo engine in it, motor.